In the mysterious depths of the ocean, scientists were baffled for years by an eerie sound known as the bloop, a noise so powerful it could be heard across the Pacific. This aquatic enigma sparked endless theories, from giant sea creatures to secret underwater bases. However, the truth was as surprising as it was mundane. The bloop was the sound of an iceberg fracturing and releasing its icy grip into the water. Imagine the force required for an iceberg's break to resonate through the vast ocean, creating a sound that captured the curiosity of the world. This revelation turned the spotlight on the dynamic, often overlooked world of glaciers and icebergs, reminding us of the powerful, hidden forces shaping our planet's oceans. As the mystery unraveled, it highlighted the incredible capabilities of our oceans to carry sounds across unimaginable distances and underscored the importance of understanding these natural phenomena in the face of a changing climate.